Last episode you sliced a row of guests, but a guest list does not always arrive as a row. Sometimes it arrives as one long line, and when you ask for guest number 1, Python hands you the letter R. That is because it is one string, not a row. Python counted characters, and the character sitting at slot 1 is the R in Arjun. Split fixes the shape, guest.split, comma, cuts the line at every comma and hands back a real row, 4 names in 4 slots. Now the same question gives the answer you wanted, and slot 1 is Meera. Nothing about the names changed, only the shape did. Join goes the other way, comma dot join, guests, glues the row back into one string with a comma between every piece, ready to save or send. So, split takes one string and gives you a row. Join takes a row and gives you one string. Let's write it. Line 1 is the guest list as one long line. Line 2 splits it on the comma. Line 3 prints the row we get back. Line 4 prints the second name. And line 5 joins it all back together. Run it. The row comes back with square brackets and quotes around every name. Meera prints on her own off the row. And the last answer is one string again, exactly the line we started with. Your turn. Type those 5 lines, save it as guestlist.py and run it. Then change the comma inside join to a space. The last line comes back with spaces instead of commas because that separator is yours to choose. Next episode, floor division and modulo. One throws the remainder away, the other keeps only it. See you there.